Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So now in this video today, we have a special collaboration. I am so excited to say to you that I am hosting a Decorating a Lantern collab, and it is an open invite collaboration. Now I am co-hosting this collaboration with some beautiful and talented women. So let's start here with Event Decor and Designs by Leisha, Glam Elegant Living, that's Allie, Lady Cinnamon, Decorating with Jazzy Green, Debbie Bubbles, The Rogers House, Penny's Lifestyle Living, and Amethyst Adventures. So now this was a freestyle collaboration, which means you can go ahead and decorate your lantern any which way. I have to admit that this is the season that I became most into these lanterns, and so I got them in 3 different sizes and decided that this is the way I wanted to decorate them. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and link the hosts and all of the beautiful co-hosts down below in the description box. I'm also going to be listing the channel links, the hashtag, and the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to the channels, and then head on over to that playlist because you don't want to miss it. It's always such a beautiful thing to glean off of everybody else decorating styles and ideas. This season we are decorating, it's the fall edition, and I am just having fun, just trying to figure out different things and ideas that I can use in order to decorate my home. So let's have some fun, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, for all of you who don't know, subscribing to the channel is totally free. And then full watching the video and clicking that like button and commenting below helps us to grow. Now, I decided to decorate my lantern in 3 different styles, and I cannot wait for you to tell me in the comments section what you think. Now, I decided to decorate my 3 lanterns outside only because it was a beautiful day and it was nice and cool. So they're not going to be staying here. I'm going to be moving them. But I try to do them from like glam to normal everyday style. I'm not really sure what I'm doing, but I'm having fun doing it. Lord, I just pray for your favor upon this video and upon these lanterns. So guys, I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music. Please have fun and enjoy whatever it is you're doing to decorate these, and I'll see you toward the end. So I'm really happy with the way these came out, especially that glam one over there with the boa. It's my favorite. I just love it. But we're heading over to the reveal, so let's go over there so we can take a closer look at these lanterns. Now what I am going to say is that these 3 lanterns, I got them on sale. They were actually all reduced price at Home Goods. So that was an awesome buy. And I was so happy to get them in 3 different styles, 3 different sizes. So I was really happy about that. But really all of the embellishments, guys, I got all of that from the Dollar Tree. And I am like so happy with all the items that they're carrying now. Now I just want to take a moment and thank all of these beautiful ladies who took the time out to support me in this collaboration. And that's Event Decor and Designs by Leisha, Ali from Glam Elegant Living, Lady Cinnamon, Courtney from Amethyst Adventures, Decorating with Jazzy Green, Debbie Bubbles, The Rogers House, and Penny from Penny's Lifestyle Living. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Okay, so I have to say that the fall edition lantern collab turned out to be the bomb, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. Oh, and let's not forget to mention that I will be bringing this back for Christmas. So shortly, you're going to see details on that.